guys, how you doing? It is a rainy, yucky day out here. Look at this. I bought this dress. I think it was $30 at Cato. It is lined. And the day I bought it, it was raining. So I bought this. Whoops. I bought this because I hate umbrellas because they always break. So I got this the day I got this dress, and I stayed dry. It's a cool little thing. So I'm back from my interview. It's raining, and I'm getting ready to unrobe, take off my makeup, and prepare my Go Lightly. Oh boy. You all have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.